Good day, doctor. This is Dr. Salma with Paramount Dental Studio. For this case, we are planning a Straumann BLX implant at site number 19. Before I start placing or planning any implant, I always like to give extra attention to the virtual crown, making sure it is in good position, inclination, and size, and also following that curve of SPI and in good relation and contact with the opposing dentition, just to make sure that we are placing this implant in a restoratively driven manner. Now let's go take a look at the implant inside the bone. So this is how the implant will look like from the buccal view. The size that we have here is a 4.5 by 8, and we can see that the implant is subcrestal to minimize the exposures, especially from this cross-sectional view right here on the buccal side. The implant will be away from the lingual cortical plate and definitely more than 2 millimeters away from the inferior alveolar canal. The restorative height that we have is around 7.5 millimeters, and we are placing an 8 millimeter implant in length, which means that the crown root ratio will be more than 1:1. We can also take a look from this 3D view at the emergence of the implant, making sure that it will end up in a screw retained position. Now, regarding the sleeve, it will be in H4 position. You'll be using the medium drill length and the 3-dot drill handle. You can see that the sleeve will not be impinging into soft tissue, which means you will not need an incision or a flap to seat the surgical guide. So that's it for this case. Thank you so much for your time, doctor, and I wish you a very pleasant day.